Jacksonville Beach. I'm standing next to a brand new 17 Montauk from Boston Whaler. This particular boat is glacier green full hull color, silver graphics, and is very well optioned. Has a fishing package, the bimini top, the Teak Package, already has a Raymarine in the dash. And this particular one is powered by a 150 Mercury. Great performance, super economical. Gets fantastic gas mileage. This boat also has pre-rigging for a trolling motor, so if you'd like to add a trolling motor, we can do that. We can add a power pole to it for inshore fishability. And also the days you take out your family to the sandbar. Get up there, bow in, put the power pole down, nice and easy. Great seating for you and your family and friends. This boat's capable of holding 7 people. Already has the stereo in it, so it's ready to go, all Bluetooth. And all it needs is you as a new owner. Come on down to MarineMax Jacksonville and get a brand new 17 Montauk. Thanks.